This video is going to go quickly over how you can do multi-site playback. This is within the Studies tab, so the first thing you're going to want to do is add as many sites as you want. For me, I have 3 sites added already. You will see you can add the new sites here. The next step is to go to the Sites and Log Assignments tab. It's here where you can assign the logs, and then you click here to view them quickly. You assign them by clicking on a box here, or unclicking them to unselect logs. The next step, you don't even have to go to log file review or the study results. You simply go to the map, wait for it to load, make sure you zoom out as much as you want. I'll zoom out a lot here, even though they'll look cluttered, just to show the rain. And then as you will see, we have our playback. If you hover over, constantly changing the numbers. And there you go, you have your multi-site playback, and obviously this will look a lot better when you're collecting flow lines and making a full map.